Today, we delve into an alternative essay topic, building intimacy in relationships. Let's explore the different dimensions that contribute to deepening the connection between individuals. Emotional intimacy is a cornerstone of any strong relationship. How open communication, vulnerability, and shared experiences can significantly strengthen bonds between partners will be our focus in this segment. In this part, we explore physical intimacy. We'll discuss how physical touch, affection, and closeness play a crucial role in expressing love and connection within a relationship. Intellectual intimacy involves the joy of shared interests, stimulating conversations, and the thrill of intellectual exploration. It's about connecting on a level that goes beyond the physical, engaging mindfully and profoundly with one another. The role of communication cannot be overstated. It's crucial for understanding boundaries, expressing needs, and maintaining a healthy relationship. Open dialogue fosters a deeper connection and ensures that both partners feel heard and valued. This approach allows for a meaningful discussion about intimacy without resorting to explicit content, aligning with ethical and respectful communication. If you'd like to proceed with this revised approach, please let me know, and I'll be happy to create an essay outline and content.